So this is ashwagandha. We all have heard so much about the powers of ashwagandha.
Yes.
Today Swamiji will enlighten us all completely about the benefits of ashwagandha. Sir,
Well, we are now in the another bed which is planted with the most precious plant of Ayurveda, which is called as the Withania somnifera. And
sir,
this
please
is
can you come this side?
yeah, that sun will
Yeah.
come. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this is a beautiful plant of the Ayurveda. It is called Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. Now the winter has come, and the winter cherry is also called winter cherry.
Yes.
Because as soon as the winter will come, the cherry formation takes place. After the flowering, the seed setting is going on.
So can you show us the berries?
The
cherries,
berries,
how- yeah.
these are all inside. This is having a covering, and this is the seed, which is green in color now because it is unripened,
And it turns into red?
and it becomes red, having a lot of small seeds. Now the leaf is very beneficial to lower down your high fat content.
Oh, I need it.
जिसको कहते हैं मोटापा अगर कम करना है तो इसका जूस पीजिए.
Leaves ka.
Yeah, and this is not described in any of the book, but some Vedji in Rajasthan was practicing it, and then only the well-known Ayurvedacharya of the country, Bal Krishan ji, came to know, and he is also using it, and he is getting very good result.
Okay.
But the main component of the main part which is of medicinal value is the root.
Yes, sir. So can we talk a bit more about the leaves first? Like how do we make a juice out of the leaves?
Oh, it's so simple. Just crush it, pluck it, put it in the juicer,
Right.
no, mixie.
Yeah.
Put a few drops of the water, churn it, and then take a juice. This will be called as swaras.
Sir, how will we identify the leaves? If we are
Leaves
picking them
is
up from the
identified
vine?
by the leaf as well as the cherries.
This is ashwagandha.
Yeah, this is the ashwagandha. This is as potent as the ginseng of the Chinese system
Yes,
of medicine.
Ginseng is also
But
very
that is
helpful
so
as-
unfortunate in this country.
Sir, I think there is nothing better than ashwagandha from my
Yes.
researches.
Yes.
Yeah, Mecca of.
Now this has been proved by our scientist in IIM, which was earlier called as RL Jammu.
Right.
So they have now identified a national variety of the Withania somnifera. The best Withania somnifera of the ashwagandha was a Nagori ashwagandha. Nagori means it is having origin endemic in the Nagaur.
Right.
Nagaur is a beautiful place in Rajasthan, a district, where it is in wild habitation because it is native of desert.
Yes.
That is subtropical.
Yes, sir.
So, well, unfortunate part was several years ago, where our Veds confined this knowledge to themselves.
Yes, sir.
And then all of a sudden, National Medicinal Plant Board was established by the Act of Parliament in 1999. And we have now the National Medicinal Plant Board in operation, and lot of funding was given, and finally they have identified a national CMAP,
Yes, sir.
Central Institute for Medicinal and Aromatic Plant, which is a CSIR institute, a
Yes.
Navaratan of CSIR
Yes,
laboratory.
yes.
They have also identified a variety where the root contains higher quantity of the vithanolide.
Sir,
Vithanolide
but
is
how
still
can we normal people go down to the root? How can we access the root without buying it and not sure, like, you know, with what quality of things, what adulteration?
Well,
and all
the
that?
best quality is that the root should not be thicker than the chichli unguli.